Hi. Today we're going to tell you about Google Publisher policies. Let's get started. Even if your website or blog is good, it might be hard to monetize using Google services if you don't follow company's certain rules. These include the layout of your pages and the sources of your traffic, but also the type of published content. The Google Publisher policies are designed to help guide the development and implementation of ads serving on websites. They provide information on types of content on the website, the quality of content and traffic, also ensuring that the ads that are placed on a publisher's website are delivered to the right audience. In addition to what you put on your website, Google also refers to everything that's related to it, which includes third-party ads, landing pages, and comment sections. These types of content can result in your account being suspended or in the removal of all of your ads. These policies are designed to help publishers work with Google and ensure a healthy ad ecosystem. They are also aimed at ensuring that the inventory they sell is safe to advertise on. This ensures that the buyers get the best possible bids. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.